I have 4 questions I ask myself immediately after I've checked into a hotel. Tonight I'm staying at the Victoria Hotel in Melbourne, Australia. Where is my room? As in which floor, level, wing, area? I've just come out of the lift to floor 1 and see that my room is in the west wing. How far is my room? From the lifts, stairs, exits, amenities, facilities. It's far. What will my room be like? Just arrived in this hotel room. Find some lights and I'll show you what it looks like. I think I need the card to show the lights on. Alright, I found the lights. What will the view be like? We have a view of the air conditioning units and air conditioning pipes. Not an impressive view today. I'm only here for the night, so no worries. What is the bed like? This is a big room for just little old lonesome me, solo, on my own. I have stayed here before and booked a twin room, and previously there hasn't been 2 queen beds. But this twin room has 2 queen beds. Plenty of room for me. There's a TV here, there's a desk, and the sitting area. I'm only staying one night, so I've just bought a backpack for overnight. There's plenty of room there for a suitcase. Let's have a look in the wardrobe. Oh, I've got tea and coffee making, a safe, a bar fridge, has milk. Other side, have ironing board, iron, coat hangers, and a couple of extra pillows. And here we've got face washes, cups. What do we have? Soap, sanitary bag and sanitary bag. What have we got down here? Tissues, towels, hairdryer, toilet paper. So I have an event on in Melbourne tonight. It's just around the corner, not far away at all. So I'm staying one night, party night.